period, full stop, comma, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark, colon, colon, semicolon, semicolon, quotation marks, quotation marks, apostrophe, apostrophe, hyphen, hyphen, underscore, underscore, slash, slash, backslash, backslash, ellipsis, ellipsis, parentheses, parentheses, square brackets, square brackets, curly braces, curly braces, angle brackets, angle brackets, plus, plus, minus, minus, multiply, multiply, divide, divide, equals, equals, not equal, not equal, approximately equal, approximately equal, greater than, less than, less than, greater or equal to, greater or equal to, less or equal, less or equal, percent, percent, square root, square root, infinity, infinity, degree, degree, angle, angle, empty set, empty set, integral, integral, alpha, alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, delta, delta, delta small, delta small, epsilon, epsilon, zeta, zeta, eta, eta, theta, theta, lambda, lambda, mu, mu, nu, nu, xi, xi, pi, pi, rho, rho, sigma, sigma, sigma small, sigma small, tau, tau, phi, phi, psi, psi, chi, chi, omega, omega, at sign, hash or pound, hash or pound, ampersand, ampersand, asterisk, asterisk, copyright, copyright, registered, registered, trademark, trademark, section, section,